this is more of an adhesive. This will stick more to the weeds. I will put a link of this in the description. Here you go. Before you do all this, make sure you wear your proper PPE. So me, I'm going to be wearing some gloves. And yeah, I'll be wearing gloves. You wear your safety goggles and all that because you're dealing with chemicals that spray out. I got these heart goggles as well. 1 gallon of spray solution, 1 teaspoon. So you need 1 teaspoon of this. All right, crack the seal on that. Pop in and go in. Said we needed 1 teaspoon. Almost there. So here we go. We have 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put it on the top. Maybe easy. All right, shot that down. Having fun, you guys. I'm having fun right now. All right, you guys, so basically I'm gonna just finish up the review on this surfactant right there. And I just want to say that I used it, but I can't really tell y'all if it works or not because it's damn near invisible. You know what I'm saying? It's basically an adhesive. So they're recommending for you to use it so it can adhere better to the leaf, but it's your choice or not, you guys. This is for the people that used it without it and used it with it, if there's any difference or not. So I just used it because it just recommended to use it, but I didn't really test out like I didn't use a plot to test out without, and then I didn't use a plot to test with it to see if it make a difference. Maybe I'll do that next time or so, maybe, but I just wanted to go ahead and finalize a review for y'all. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Did y'all ever spray y'all lawn without it before? Or, you know, have y'all seen a difference if you spray with it or spray without it? Maybe I should come up. I should do that experiment. Maybe I should try it. I still have a place where I haven't sprayed this yet. So y'all let me know if y'all have seen a difference or not. Let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer as best as possible, but this is my first time using it. So maybe like a 10-year veteran with, you know, using this and didn't have never used it, you know, if they ever, you know, never used it before, if that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So if you asking somebody who has been doing this for a very long time and haven't been using this, and then they started using this and seen the difference, they could probably give you a better answer. But for me, I'm just wrapping up the video because, you know, that's what you need to do for this review. So y'all tell me y'all thoughts on when you use this product or not. So that will be all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.